Hello everybody, 46 Blitz 8 here for 643boxbreaks.com. Good evening to you all. Hopefully can I get another sound check here, please? It's 8:14 Eastern Time, so it'll be 7:14 Central. A little bit late, had a bit of a problem with the broadcast for some reason. I wasn't able to broadcast. So anyway, that's all fixed. Anyway, triple stack of 2013-14 Contenders. This is a multi that went live a couple days ago. It is sold out, and we are ready to rock. All right, so this is YouTube reference number 419. It is a 2013-14 Contender triple stack, 3-box break. All right, Bumblebee, you have the Los Angeles Kings. Crunch 38, you have the Montreal Canadiens. DJ Niles' Mommy, you have the Islanders, Senators, Blues, Panthers, Leafs, Rangers, and the Devils. I think you've cleaned up the last couple teams there, Aaron. Thank you very much for that. DWH 78, and as you can see there, 79. It filled the number there when I was doing the spreadsheet. Okay, you have the Wings, Canucks, Coyotes, and you have the Pittsburgh Penguins via Subterfuge Prize. That was from his Cash Starts on this past Tuesday, I believe. Yeah, Cash Starts. So there you go. So 14's for you. 3 plus 1 free. All right, Eagles 27, you have the Stars. El Donko, you have the Lightning. FD Thorsby, you have the Oilers. Golf Nut, you have your Avs. Johnny Canucks 3, you have the Hurricanes. Kepper, you have the Jackets and Flyers. Argentine 22, you have the Preds. Sean, you have your Bruins. Socrates, you have the Capitals and your Blackhawks. Subterfuge has the Anaheim Ducks. Terry B, welcome back. You have the Sabres and Wild. And finally, the real Kennedy has the Jets, Flames, and the Sharks. That is the roster. All right, bonus for this. It is my Blitzbucks bonus. Everybody that bought into this break will get 5% back in whatever they spent in Blitzbucks. There is a link in the listing that you bought. Click on that for the information to see how many Blitzbucks you have. So a lot of people are starting to build up quite a balance. It is your money to spend, so please let me know how you want to spend it. You can spend it on break credit, so you can get free breaks out of it, or there's a selection of things you can buy with the Blitzbucks. It's basically the same as cash. So all the prices there are whatever it cost me to buy them in real bucks. So let me know what you like to do with your Blitzbucks. It is your money to spend. Keep that in mind. And as of right now, the site is updated as well. So as of right now, it is current for all the Blitzbucks everybody has. All right, so triple stack of Contenders. Here is box number 1 for the camcorder first, 418. For the XSplit video, 418. All right, Contenders, the autograph heaven. So we'll save all the multi cards for the end and do a random at the end. Look at that. All right, 18 by 5. Trout's birthday too. Boy, he looked good in the Blue Jays uniform. What are the chances of that happening? Next to none. All right, first pack. We have Vanek, we have Howard, and starting off, we have a hit for the Washington Capitals. Contenders Legacies of Olaf Kolzig out of $4.99. Olaf. And a couple of base. I think we actually passed up Mike Trout to get one of our draft picks. You can see how well the Blue Jays have drafted lately. Last couple of years. Crawford, Subban, and Keith Yandel, all base. Yes, anybody... Oh, that is a patch. We'll save that. Yes, anybody healthy will look great as a Blue Jay. Laurie went on the disabled list after one bat. Blues back out. Fantastic. Now we have Price, Smith, Bobby Ryan. All base. But not about baseball. Oh. Oh. This might getting back to me. Latang. Pecorino, and the first autograph is for the Vancouver Canucks. We have a NHL ink of Ryan Stanton. And I'll call the big hits. Vancouver is DWH 78. There you go. First autograph is yours, Dave Areno. Landeskog, we have a Lundqvist, and we have an all-base back with a spacer. A true decoy pack. First blood. The first cut. Okposo, Datsuk, and for the Boston Bruins, we have an autograph, rookie autograph of Ryan Spooner. And that is Sean 1989-77. There you go. I got a bunch of those already, but add to your pile. We have a Kane, we have an Eller, and we have a rookie out of 600, Luke Glendening for Detroit. 398 out of 600. Detroit is Dave Areno. There you go. Glendening. Bobrovsky, Reimer, and Jonathan Toews base. Base pack. Varlamov, Couturier, and Iginla. All base. Duchesne, Giroux, Bergeron, base. Jack Johnson and Loophole, and we have an autograph here for the Nashville Predators. Jonas Rask. The Nashville Predators, hard signed rookie autograph. Nashville is our Gendron 22. Stafford, Seguin, Hiller, all base. We'll see that patch in the open pack there. Unless I'm a goof and knocking my camera over, it won't leave the field of view. Doan, and we have for the Edmonton Oilers, we have a Norris Contenders of Justin Schultz, about a $4.99. Of course, that is a rookie. Well, I guess this is rookie year. It's not really his rookie card, but. Justin Schultz for Edmonton, and that is F.D. Thorsby. We have a Miller, we have a Fisher, we have a Perry. Valak and Doughty, all base. Callahan, Rask, Tavares, all base. So there's only 3 autographs so far. Or 2 autographs plus that patch. And their autograph, of course. So let's get an extra bonus autograph here. Pretty please. Zetterberg, Hossa, Pacioretty. Not in that pack. There's spacer in this one. We have a Nash, we have a Quick. And for the Detroit Red Wings, Hart Contenders of Henrik Zetterberg out of $4.99. Yes, this box needs help. And the help is right here, I hope. Kinda, maybe. See what the patches. I'll pull from the back first. I got a base card of Brian Campbell. Upside down base of Fleury, Spezza, Hodgson, Weber, and for The Philadelphia Flyers. We have, ooh, nice one. Scott Lawton. Out of 100. Patch autograph. Philly is Kepper. There you go. Nice patch too. Sometimes these patches are kind of one color lame. So congratulations, Kepper. Nice patch. As Dave Areno types explicit. What was it? I forget it. He's saying bad words in symbols. 0 for the camcorder there. 340. 340 something. 347. There we go. Goes out of the way. Box number 2. I like Contenders, but it does take a while to open. Box number 2, ladies and gentlemen. Kane, Art, Larzeller, and Dome. All base. Turn this around. Rip with the right, pitch with the left. Couple of base, and for the Los Angeles Kings, we have a Cup Contenders of Mike Richards at a $4.99. Barely sealed. Bobrovsky, Reimer. Ooh, nice. We have an NHL Classics for the Boston Bruins. I think I pulled this one before, actually. I'm surprised to see it. I've never seen that guy before. Jim Craig for the Boston Bruins. Hard signed. That's from 13-14 Classic, or 12-13 Classics. There we go. Sean. Another Boston auto for you. Spacer in this one, base, and the base in the middle. An E2. I guess it's not really before my time, but I think it was 5 and 6. Oh, we got a anybody see that? I saw goalie autographs with some white masks, so that's a legend multi. We have a Ginla, we have Glenn Cross, and we have, is it a, oh, it's an 8-way. So it'll have to be randomed. We have an 8-way autograph. Number out of 20, we have Vladislav Tretiak. I think I pulled this one before, actually, so I know what to do with this one now. Jim Craig, Martin Brodeur, Curtis Joseph. And on the back, we have Lundqvist, Luongo, Price, and Smith. Okay, so this one's going to be random. Tretiak is actually for the Soviet Union, so it's going to be random between all teams, and then we'll have to random the rest of them. We'll do it at the end, but I'm going to assign the Tretiak card right now before I forget. Out of 20, for number 4 of 20. I pulled that identical card before. I think Aaron won it last time. Okay, so I'm going to assign the Soviet Union to the cut team for the deck here. Honest Ed in for the cut. So the Soviet Union is going to go to the Anaheim Ducks. So Anaheim is on that card as well. And that is Subterfuge. So you get this USSR. I can't believe I remember that. Okay. So we'll ram that at the end. That is a gorgeous card out of 20. I'm not sure what the last one was numbered out of. Hey, Mike, how are you? So ran that at the end. In case there's more. And one. Letang. Rene Duchesne. All base. Oh, hey, there's Timmy Thomas. Giroud, Bergeron, Vanek, Bufflin, and Thomas, all base. Eight-way goalie. Howard. I don't remember if it was in the series or if it was the one of the other triples I did with this stuff. And we have, hey, if you don't like the first one, here's another one for you. Number 173, we have a Luke Glendening rookie card for the Detroit Red Wings. Pulled that one in the first box, too. Detroit is DWH. Subban Yandel, and for the Buffalo Sabres, we have a my buddy Jurgensens, Zygmunt Jurgensens for the Buffalo Sabres. Buffalo is Terry B. There you go, autograph for you, Terry. Welcome back. Alfredson, Oshie, Carey Price. All base. Zemgus. What did I say? Zegmus? Zemgus. Bernier, Miller, Fisher. All base. Yep, Terry's back. We have a Perry, we have a Callahan. Oh, we got a first drafts. I didn't see who it was. Base in the back. Second base in the back. We have a base in the front. We have Callahan. And the first draft is not too bad. Lousy autograph for this guy, though. It is Jonathan Huberdeau. Huberdeau. Yeah, I know. It's Jonathan Huberdeau. For Florida. Florida is DJ Reynolds Money. There you go. Pretty good one. Spezza. Hodgson. Weber. Gordon Stamkos. All base. Landeskog, Lundqvist, and we have a Vezina Contenders for the Carolina Hurricanes, Cam Ward at a $4.99. Chara, Okposo, Datsuk, all base. Rask, Tavares, Zetterberg. All base. I'm trying. I don't think Pittsburgh's on that multi either. Pacioretty, and pulled this one in the last box too. Olaf Kolzig. Contenders Legacies for the Washington Capitals at a $4.99. So yeah, double DeKaiser, double Kolzig. Not Kaiser, Glendening. Double Glendening, double Kolzig. And the last pack of this box. And we have a rookie card for the Carolina Hurricanes, number 600, Brett Bellemore. Okay, we'll do the random at the end. However, I'm going to put that card in a sleeve right now. That's money right there. All right, final box. 560. 560. All right, third and final box. And we got a book. And it's a live book, too. Not a bad 2-box setup, if I do say so myself. Stafford, Sagan, Heller, all base. Bergeron, Vanek, Gagne. This one's a season ticket parallel, or whatever they're called, out of 100. Sam Gagne for the Oilers. That's FD Thorsby. Seem to get the right ones there. Jimmy Howard in the pink pads. And we have a Contenders, Heart Contenders, Corey Perry for the Anaheim Ducks at a $4.99. There you go, Mike. Subban, Yandel, Spezza. All base. Again with Glenn Cross, Alfredson, base. Oshie, Smith, Carey Price, all base. Ryan with Tang. Holy mackerel, we need some autographs here. All base again. Duchesne. Oh, we had a multi. Don't know if it was one team or two. I saw one team on it. Base in the back. Oh, oops. Base in the back. Base there, and I just showed it there to you there. We have a 3-way. And actually, it's a 6-way, all going to the Boston Bruins. This is number 20 of 20. So there you go, eBay 101 there for Sean, 1989-77. Boston Bruins. We have Bergeron, Krejci, and Riley Smith on the front. And we have Iginla, Spooner, and Soderberg on the back. So 6-way for Boston. Congratulations to Sean. It's your third. This will be 8 autographs here now, so you got 2 singles and a 6-way. Hodgson, Weber, Lundqvist. Another money card. So we got a 6-way and a book in this box so far, plus the goalie legend 8-way. Pozo, all base. Varlamov, Couturier, and for this is a pretty good one. North Contenders is Seth Jones at a $4.99 for the Nashville Predators. Nashville's Argentine. If I forget to call a card and who owns the card, it's not a slight, as I forget to say it. Nash, Quick, and not too bad for the Dallas Stars. Oh, that was the other guy. Christopher Nielstrop for the Dallas Stars. I got another lousy autograph. Dallas as Eagles 27. The money card was the 8-way goalie. That's the money card we're talking about. Bernier. Hey, didn't like the first one. Oh, double hit pack. Double hit pack. Didn't like the first one. Here's another one for you. For the Boston Bruins, Jim Craig. My guess is it's not short printed. So there you go, Sean. Another one for you. And we have for the Columbus Blue Jackets, Ryan Murray. Hard signed rookie autograph. Double autograph pack. That's the first Columbus hit, actually. Columbus is Kepper. And a couple of base. Anglais, s'il vous plaît. All base again. Je parle bon français. Où est la salle de bain? Most important thing to know. Rask, Tavares. More for the Boston Bruins. Ray Bourque, Contenders Legacies at a $4.99. Is there a blog, Phil? Zetterberg hosts, we got a rookie ticket here for the Chicago Blackhawks, Joachim Nordstrom, out of 600. Uh-oh. Last pack before the book, or the super fat decoy. Bobrovsky, Reimer, and we have an all base pack to finish that off. Okay, so I'm still good to broadcast? All good? Okay. Here's that super thick pack. First one, I was sitting on top. It's probably a book. It is a book. A booklet. See, it has to be random. I think they all have to be random, actually. Suter, I think they're all multi-teams. Brodeur. Pacioretty. Johnson. And Lupul. And the book is numbered out of 99, number 64 of 99. It is a Contenders matchups of... We have Eric Hartzell, Jeff Zatkoff, Scott Lawton, and Ty McGinn. I was going to say this DWH. This usually has Philly, but oh no, we got to fail. All right, so that'll have to be random as well between Philly and Pittsburgh. Pittsburgh is DWH 78, the free team, and Kepper has Philly. So that's two randoms to do now. Okay, so again, here's my deck. This is how I do my randoms. I shuffle and cut. Start drawing off the top. Whatever team pops up for the cards in questions, or whatever team pops up first for the cards in question, wins that card. So I'll do is I'll give a quick little shuffle here. And I'll put the deck down, show you the cards once again. Alright, there is the deciding deck. I will cut it in just a second. Once again, we have a 8-way autograph here, Tretiak, which I awarded to the Anaheim Ducks via the card draw there a little earlier. So that's the Tretiak that goes to Anaheim. Jim Craig, Boston. Brodeur, New Jersey. Curtis Joseph for Toronto on that side. And we have Lundqvist, Rangers. Luongo, Canucks. Carey Price, Canadiens. And Mike Smith for the Yotes on the back. First card in question. Second card in question is this Contenders book here, Pittsburgh and Philly. Okay, so let's put on its head into work here. There's the cut. Okay. I'll pull that a little closer so I can flip it over if I have to. Okay. Here we go. Well, Boston. First card. So, Sean, 1989-77, my friend, you have got yourself this card. Boston is on that card. First card, first draw, going to Boston. All right, we'll continue the draw. We'll continue the... We still need to decide Philly and Pittsburgh there. There's the Coyotes. Pittsburgh, Philly. Battle of Pennsylvania. Pittsburgh, Philly. Who's going to win? There's Anaheim. That was Tretiak's team. There's Joseph's team. There's Carey Price's team. Where are they? Philadelphia. So there you go, Kepper. The book is yours. And, Pittsburgh is dead bottom. Sorry, Dave Reno. So Pittsburgh wins the Contenders matchup book. All right, so that is the break. I thank you all for your support at 643boxbreaks.com and hope to see you in the next my next break. Of course, check out everybody else's breaks. We have a box of Contenders. If you like this Contenders, there's more available on the site tonight. Golf Nut has got his Contenders auction tonight. Plus, there's a case and a multi of this case is select and a multi of Prime, 3 years of Prime as well. So go check that out. It's all there for you. Thanks a lot. 643boxbreaks.com. Signing off. Bye.